Hello everyone, Alex with Precision Auto over here, and I'm going to go over a new car that we picked up in our inventory, a 2014 Audi A8L, and I'm going to show you what's a little bit special about this A8. I don't know if you could hear it in the background, but if not, I will show you. Don't usually buy these that often. I've bought a couple, but this one really like the stance of it, like the look of it. The black paint is in really good shape, black interior, and it really has a nice look to it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it has pretty much under the hood, and that's why I bought it. So I'm going to go through the back over here, and you will immediately know. TDI. Don't see these too often. Don't know the exact number that Audi made in the US, but not too many. So whenever I saw it, I picked it up. Very good condition. One of the first things that I look at when I purchase cars, even if it has aftermarket wheels, which these, at first I didn't like them that much. They're 22-inch wheels, but the more time I spend with the car, the more it grows on me. It looks very nice, has a nice stance, does have some additional side skirts, front one and side ones, which again, not a huge fan, but they're easily removable. So a new owner, if you want to take them off, or if you want me to take them off, absolutely no problem. But going back to what I was saying, even if it has aftermarket rims, the first thing I look at is what brand tires. You might think, Alex, but why? Well, if you're cheap enough to put Ironman or some Lionheart or whatever, I understand some people are on a budget and it's okay. But those of you who are not on a budget, you want the best thing. So you put good tires, good Continentals on cars or whatever car you buy, then that to me is a green light, as the customer, or I'm sorry, the previous owner took care of the car. So remember that when purchasing a new car, always look at the tires first and make sure they are brand name tires and not cheap tires. This car is the biggest, well, one of the biggest, because there's other cars out there that do the same thing, but bang for the buck factor. It has automatic shades. I don't even know how to use these things. There you go. Front and back. You could see the rear one deploying right now. Just turn it off. That one over there, you could actually control it from the passenger side. It is just a very nice, you have all your climate controls in the rear over here, heated seats. I just realized that, and even though I had it, dual moon roof on it. Just a lot of options. Soft closed doors. For under 20 grand, you would, in my eyes, have to, what are you gonna get? The Kia? Hyundai? This car was nearly $100,000 when it was new. I think it was like $96,000. I have the sticker price to it. But as you can see, it's in very good shape, very good condition. The previous owner took a lot of good care of it. Did all the maintenance at Audi, some of them at your local indie shop, which is absolutely nothing bad with that, as long as the shop that you're working, or who's working on the car, knows how to work on German cars, which pretty much everyone knows. Massaging seats, different type of massages. It is just a nice place to be in. And rewind a little bit, when I was saying under 20 grand, a lot of people are going to say, well, Alex, or well, what's going to happen is going to break down on me. It's going to cost me another 20 grand to fix. Well, it's really not true. Especially on this one, the TDI engines are known to last a very long time as long as you take care of them. Yes, it does have some emission related issues here and there, but that actually was under warranty. And a lot of the stuff is still under warranty if the mileage is low enough. On this one, unfortunately, no warranty, has 137, but it still runs like new. I mean, I've been driving this car for quite some time, and I actually really enjoy driving it. There are no issues with it. Very good on gas. The TDI engine actually gets, let me try to pan out here a little bit so you guys can see. The TDI engine actually gets, I want to say, upwards of 35, even 40 on the highway, depending on the speed that you are traveling with it. So it's just a phenomenal car for the money. Now, things go bad. I mean, every car, new car, used car, all the cars are going to have issues. The only issues that you're going to, or the plus that you're going to have with the new car, is going to be warranty. And let's talk about warranty. A lot of companies, or a lot of manufacturers out there, the warranty that they give, when the car is new under the bumper to bumper, yes, they will honor it. They will pretty much fix whatever is wrong. But after that, the powertrain, if it's something that's halfway covered, they're not going to help. What I suggest doing when you're buying a used car is buy an aftermarket warranty. Not just any aftermarket warranty, but a warranty that is known to pay their claims. And that way you're just not stuck to the dealer. You can actually take it to the dealer or any other indie shop. So like a new car warranty, you could only take it to the dealer. The aftermarket warranty, they will allow you to take it to any shop that is authorized in doing repair work on cars. So you have your choice of where you want to go. So that being said, you purchase a car, just dish out the extra $1,500, $2,000 for an aftermarket warranty. I know the warranty that I sell is around, for this car, almost $2,000. I want to say around $1,800, and it covers you for 5 years. And also, I think it's unlimited mileage as well. So, just a little information about warranties and about used cars in general. You don't have to be scared of them. A lot of people just want a new car just because they're scared of owning a used car because of the repairs, but it's really not that bad. It is something that can be mitigated with a warranty, and most of the times you won't even need a warranty. So, going back to the Audi, 137,000 miles for a diesel. That's not too much miles, as long as it runs good and it has been maintained. And you're driving $90,000 car. Trying to see if I can get the miles per gallon here. Let's see. There we go. And you will see that. Here, let me actually reset it because it's been idling for quite a little bit. It's, I'm not going fast right now, but you will see that the bar over there, once I actually reach a speed, for a diesel, it actually will go 35. I think I averaged 37 city yesterday, just driving from my shop all the way to the house. But it is just a phenomenal car. All the options, that the new cars have. This one has the cruise control, the brake assist, the thing that drives itself, the pano camera, bird's eye, whatever you want to call it, and a really nice smooth air suspension ride that you can change your settings, and stuff that does not exist in cars that are base models and just run-of-the-mill cars. You just don't find that in those cars. Now, of course, I'm going in the city, so it's going to take a while to average out. But trust me when I say, as you can see, it's going up. It will do a good 35 miles in city if you are driving it consistently and you're not pedal to the floor at all times. On a highway, will even do more than that. It's a very efficient car, a very luxurious car, and just something that I would like to spend my money on. If you enjoyed this little review and this little rant about used cars and review of the Audi, and I hope I helped some of you make a decision in your future purchase. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.